I'll do next method of resolve into partial fraction. See, in this problem, x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. Numerator is having degree 2. The denominator is also having the same degree 2. In this case, what I am doing now, just I am dividing. Okay, if I divide x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6, one time it's going x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, what I am getting 6x minus 5 as the remainder I got. So, I can write this as 1 plus 6x minus 5 by x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. Now, 1 as it is we have to keep. This 6x minus 5 by x square plus 5x, x square minus 5x plus 6, no? For that we have to find out the partial fraction. Okay. I am writing that 6x minus 5 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to, I am factorizing this x square minus 5x plus 6. See, if I split that, minus 3 minus 2. So this is x minus 3 into x minus 2. These two are the factors of x square minus 5x plus 6. So I am writing a over x minus 3 plus b over x minus 2, where a and b are constants. Now, what is the LCM? X square minus 5x plus 6. If you multiply all the fractions by LCM, I got 6x minus 5 is equal to a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 3. I got. Now, let x is equal to 3. If I take x as 3, 6 3s are 18 minus 5 is equal to 3 minus 2. Why I have taken no x as 3? Here minus 3 is there. No, if you substitute x as 3, then b will be 0. We will get a value. Okay, for that only. So 18 minus 5 is equal to a. So a value is 13. Okay, now I got a value. Next b1. In order to get b value, you have to take x value as 2. If you take x as 2, a will go off. We will see. Let x is equal to 2. If you take x value as 2, let x is equal to 2. So 6 into 2 minus 5 is equal to, a value will be 0 because a into 2 minus 2 0. So b value will get 2 minus 3. So 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 is equal to minus b. Okay. Now the answer for this x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 1 plus 13. A is 13, no? By x minus 3. B value is minus 7. So minus 7 by x minus 2. If you add all these three, 1 plus 13 by x minus 3 minus 7 by x minus 2, then you will get the fraction x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. If the numerator and denominator has same degree, how to do this sum? I have explained so far. Thank you.